using this Hansen Insta-Dri for a long time now. I just start with putting my fingernail polish on. I actually end up putting 2 coats before I do the Insta-Dri, and then I let it sit for like 2 minutes, which is what it says on the bottle. With 2 coats, I maybe let it sit a little bit longer. So yeah, just there's the directions. Just simple, shake well, and then actually maybe I better shake a little bit more. Then, of course, you just go ahead and apply it to your nails. This bottle is running out, so I'm having to tilt it a little bit to get some out, but I put a pretty thick coat on. Go ahead and put it on all my nails, and just 1 coat is plenty. You can kind of see how I'm putting it on the thumb here, probably a better view. You don't want it so thick that it's not going to dry, but definitely a nice coat on there. Okay, now I'll wait a couple minutes since I have 2 coats of polish underneath, and yeah, I can touch it and it is dry. Not going to do anything crazy, but it's dry, and I love it.